Yeah, I'll take that. That's... I did something wrong. Oh yeah, I forgot to cut this board shorter. Let's do that. Let's try this again. A little more sloppy, but that would... Great, nice. I love going against the grain. Okay. There and there. Okay.
Does it work well for you?
like that. I got 2 pieces. This is Wispy Be Gone. Wisp Be Gone. Cool.
It's temporary.
And put it on the other side. This here. Actually, let me see. Just like that. Happiness. So there you have it. This is a shadow box. It's actually for my pastor. They are leaving the church after 11 years in the ministry here and are heading on to the next ministry. So our church is getting together to do something fun, and we're going to be putting a bunch of things in here as memorabilia from their time. And so I thought I'd make the shadow box for it. And I really like how this came out. It is made with Filipino mahogany and then an oak plywood back, and relatively simple, straightforward. It's just a shadow box to put things in, but with the split dovetails on the top, so there's still a dovetail on both the door and on the main frame itself. I personally like how it came out. So I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas on this. If you want to see more information about this, hop over to the other channel, Wood by Wright How To. On that channel, I actually talk through it and explain what I'm doing, why I'm doing, and I do a lot of the teaching over there. So if you want to see that, there's that whole channel there. If there's a video over here, there's also a corresponding one over there. So take a look at that. And let me know which comments you have and throw them down below, because that helps out the channel. Anytime you put a comment down below, or even just put comment down below, thank you. That helps us get in front of more people, helps the channel grow, and every comment is worth 10 likes. On top of that, you can go even farther by joining all of these people over here. Those people are patrons. And patrons on Patreon and members here on the channel, people who click the thank you button, honestly, without you guys, we wouldn't be here. You keep the channel going, you help us get in front of more people, and really that means more than I can say. So thank you for that. If you'd like to help us out, do more, well then think about clicking the join button, hitting thank you, or becoming a patron, link down below. I think that'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. See, the way this works is you turn off the lights, you get one light bulb, and it casts a shadow. I know, this actually casts a shadow, unlike anything else in the house. So it is a box that casts a shadow.